Man, it's hot in here, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's hot. You know what? I can't even drink this tonight.
Oh.
No, I'm gonna have something else tonight.
Well, Craig, what is that?
I'll tell you what it is, Jeff. It's a Dairy Queen Blizzard is what it is.
A blizzard.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Look at that. Man, that's really good. Like, really good. You know, you got your summertime, Jeff, right?
Oh, yeah.
Right, your summertime traditions. What are they? They're baseball,
Sure.
grilling stuff.
Yeah, hot dogs. Yeah.
Hot dogs, hanging around in Speedos.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Campfires with the s'mores.
Wearing Speedos, yeah.
Yeah. Don't go too near the campfire in your Speedos.
No, unless you're a daredevil, you wouldn't want to do that.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. Anyway, here's the thing, though. This Dairy Queen Blizzard, it's a s'mores blizzard. It's a s'mores blizzard. It's made of s'mores. The s'mores are all smooshed together in a blizzardy drink.
They're smushed.
Yeah.
What are you tasting right now in there, Craig?
Heaven.
Heaven.
Yeah. You got your marshmallows and your chocolate.
Got your graham crackers?
Yep. Smooshed together.
Smooshed.
Yeah. It's not fast food.
No.
It's fun food. Ask me if I'm getting paid to say that about this.
Hey, Craig, are you getting paid to say that?
No. I'm actually not. Craig, why are you doing it? I'm messing with the space-time continuum here. I'm just advertising stuff that I want to advertise. For nothing.
You know,
Your move, CBS.
Yeah.
Hey, Jeff.
Yeah.
You want one of them? You want one of the blizzards here?
Yeah, it'd be nice. I sure would. Could you score me one?
No.
Come on, man.
I dropped some on my desk.
Can I have it? Oh, you're killing me.
Yeah, like you never did it. So you want some?
Kill me, man. Come on, just a little bit.
Do you want one of your own?
Yeah, man, please.
'Cause I got you one.
Did you really?
Bring on Jeff's Blizzard!
Oh, man, this is great.
Yeah, look.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Wow. Yeah.
Man. Now, I won't lie to you, not every blizzard is delivered like that. These are actually really awesome. Have you had one of these?
Yeah, I mean, it's here, and that's great. I can't quite get to it.
So close, but so far, buddy.
Yeah, could
All right.
Thanks, man. Oh, yeah.
Nice when that sugar hits you.
Yeah.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
There you are, buddy.
Wow, that's
Come on,
great.
man. What do you think?
Boy, it goes right through you.
Yeah. It's good though, right?
Yeah, it's good. Delicious.